Green Power and Solar Choice programs allow our customers to support renewable energy in the Pacific Northwest, but they also allow us to support projects in local communities.
The solar grant is going to benefit not only by decreasing our environmental impact, it will also save us dollars, and those dollars then can be reintroduced into the community to help provide essential services.
We continue to invest and partner with our communities to be that hometown energy provider, while at the same time helping them help the communities that they're serving day in and day out.